Hi, this is Sheena from Qi Medicine Acupuncture, and today I wanted to show you how to make your very own castor oil pack to help treat your endometriosis pain. And it's not only good for pain from endometriosis, but also any period pain. If you have fibroids, stomach cramping of any kind, it's excellent. So I'll show you how to make that now. So what you need is a absorbent cloth. Just one of these is from the supermarket. It's just a nice soft absorbent cloth, and I've cut it into shape so it fits really nicely just over the abdomen. Then what you're going to need is some really good quality castor oil. This is an organic brand. It's really not very expensive at all, and you will be reusing this oil. So a little will go quite a long way, but good quality organic cold pressed castor oil is what you want. And lastly, you'll need a jar, and this is just to store the castor oil with the cloth in it, and you can reuse it. So all you're going to do now, I must warn you, castor oil is very sticky, so you can wear gloves if you like, or just wash your hands thoroughly afterwards, but prepare your space because it will get everywhere. And what you want to do is quite simply pour the castor oil into the jar, probably about 2/3 of the bottle. If you want to use the whole bottle, you can too. You will be reusing it. So pop the castor oil into the jar, and then once that's in, just shove the cloth in there, and that will absorb all the castor oil. Then what you want to do is place it directly on your belly, and just lie down and relax when you're doing this. It's best to just really take it easy when you're applying this pack, because it will sort of drip as well. So place it, once it's been soaked in the castor oil, on your belly, and place a glad wrap or a plastic bag over that, and then apply a heat pack. The heat pack's really important. It will help the absorption of the castor oil onto the belly, and it really does soak into the skin. And traditionally, castor oil is wonderful for breaking up any masses, helping to relieve pain and improve blood flow to the lower abdomen. So leave it on there for about 90 minutes and do it frequently. So if you have quite a bit of pain, I would recommend doing it daily in conjunction with your acupuncture treatment, your herbal treatment as well, to help reduce the pain. It also feels lovely, particularly in winter time. So doing it daily is fine. You can do it every other day if you wish, or only when you get period pain. Sometimes that you shouldn't use a castor oil pack because it is very moving in nature. It really gets things moving around. So if you're trying to get pregnant and you have just ovulated, so don't use the pack then. Also, when you're menstruating, please don't use the pack then, but before is fine. So if you're having some pain leading up to your bleed, please use it then. And also if you're very ill, please don't use the pack as well. But any other time is absolutely fine. And as I said, it's not just for endometriosis pain, it's also for period pain or stomach cramps of any kind, so it's very handy. So I hope you found that useful, and that's it from me at Qi Medicine Acupuncture. Bye for now.